Innovate Egypt program is implemented within the framework of US-Egypt Science Technology Joint Fund, which is funded by the governments of the United States and Egypt. The program specifically responds to the national priorities of Egypt, which is to help scientists in Egypt to transition from lab to market.
There was a complete mindset shifting from researcher to entrepreneurial shift. So I started as applying to the project as it will fund me and fund my project as the research-wise, like publishing and so on. But now I'm thinking of it, how we can make this in use for all dentists in markets, whether in Egypt or US.
By leveraging our extensive network of partners in the United States and Egypt, working with VentureWell and STDF, we designed this program to help the scientists to go through various phases of the program and learn how to shift their mindset and how to advance their innovations into the market.
Yes, I have the idea and I have a prototype, but I didn't know how to use it. And then it comes to the innovation, US-Egypt Innovation Program. I applied, and from there, it's like you're taking my hand and walking through the steps that I should do it. Well, phase 1 and phase 2 and phase 3 now here in US. Being here for a month, it was like a dream, and then it happens. And I didn't know at the beginning what I'm going to learn from this visit. By actually the output is much bigger than I thought about. I've exposed to startups at the Georgia Tech and so what is going on, and we are exposed also instructors and experts in different like networking, soft landing, and also how to do this, how to form the science to a business.
Also, I learned a lot about how to move forward with my startup, how to do customer discovery, how we can, for example, we can start with an idea in our head that can completely differ according to the problem suffered actually by through the customer, by doing interviews with them and know better about their problem rather than our problem that we are beginning with.
Through Innovate Egypt program, National Academy united scientists from Egypt who had marketable ideas and innovations which they were looking to transition into a market.
Purify, we think Purify like an innovation hub to help people how they know more about recycling and upcycling of plastic waste material. And Purify is classified as a plastic waste material recycling and upcycling company. We will work on recycling plastic waste material into very valuable end products.
Today we're hosting 5 innovators from Egypt who are at the conclusion of their fellowship in the US. They've been a month in Atlanta, hosted by the Georgia Tech University, where they got to learn about innovation ecosystem in the United States, what creates an ecosystem, and what are different stakeholders in that system, and how their startups can learn from what they've seen in the US and apply it back in Egypt.